Yes, now can you please someone talk to you?
Sir, how are you?
Oh, Shreyan, I can hear you now. Yes. Chalo, how many have you done with your questions? How many have you submitted?
Sir, I'm done with 10 questions. 11 and 12 is left.
Okay. What about others? Did you post it there? Did you check, Shreyan? Shreyan, did you check?
Even I have done,
No
sir.
one has kept, sir. No one has kept it.
Sir, I've kept it, I guess.
So one more thing, sir. Sir, was 1 to 6 question also doubt for Shiren?
Yes, every question. He wants every question.
Okay, sir. Because 1 to 6 question, it felt like way too easy, sir. Because we discussed the same questions in class also.
देखो श्रेयन जी, अभी देखो अब क्या करेंगे.
Sir, actually, I did not understand. Sir, I have difficulties on this chapter, you know.
Same question we have discussed. There are
Yes,
same
yes.
questions.
Means you discussed, sir, but I am facing afterwards. I am facing the difficulties and pain.
Okay. Still you are facing a problem. No problem.
Only this chapter only, sir. For as exam, this chapter and statistic that I can manage, sir. But this coordinators I am not able to manage, sir. Yesterday, our sir has kept the test also, and I did not perform very well.
Okay. No problems. We stay and do one thing. How many questions you solved? Tell me. How many questions?
And sir, same problem, sir. Again, I'm getting the same. I'm not getting the process how to do that.
Okay. How many have you done? Raise your hands. What about others? Everyone raise your hands, please.
For what?
For the solving questions, how many of you have solved?
So all the questions are only like 10 to 15.
Like at least 10 questions.
Yes, I solved actually 8 questions now.
Is not given. Like 1 to 6 and 9 to 13.
Raise your hands. Okay, what about others? Kavya, Ananya, Piyush, Vijay, Harini. What about
Sir, I raised my hand.
Yes, sir. Even I raised hand.
Excuse me. What about Jivika, Mohit? Mohit, I'm saying that Mohit, how many of you have solved the questions? I have asked you to solve the. Yes, I have asked you to solve the quadrilaterals questions. That is what I was asking Mohit.
Acha, sir, day before yesterday's homework, sir.
Sorry?
Are you talking about the day before yesterday's homework
Yeah,
question you gave?
exactly.
Acha, okay, sir.
What about others?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, did you post any other worksheet in the Google Classroom, sir? Because
Yes, I told that I posted a circles worksheet. That day itself, I told that I'll post the circles.
yes, sir. Actually, I did not
On
get
Monday's class.
only
Monday's
solved-
class. On Monday, I told that I'll be posting the circles worksheet. I told and posted.
Yeah, yes, sir. Because I did not get it. I'll just check once again, sir.
Sir, I received it yesterday.
So you received it yesterday in the sense you didn't check. You might have received that day itself.
Don't know, sir, but because for circle chapter, I was searching for the recording also. After a few minutes, after I refreshed it, I got the assignment.
Okay. See, I told right, I'll be posting, see, whatever I ask, like whatever I say today I'll be posting something means I'll be posting, that's for sure. Then, yes. So I think I posted that thing on Monday. I think that thing I posted on Monday, but I don't know how many of you have observed. What about others? How many of you just gone through that? I told I'll be posting a circles worksheet. So that day itself I posted it.
Sir, I gone through that, sir, but I did not still start doing it, sir.
Yes, sir. I've seen the worksheet, but still didn't start.
Why? Aditi and Jivika are sisters. Aditi, is
Yes,
Jivika
sir.
is your sister? Is Jivika
No,
is your
sir.
sister? Okay, but like sometimes like I get confused who is talking, either Jivika or Aditi. Both voices, both of your voice will I could hear the same thing. I like I feel the same voice for both of you. So that's why. Okay, so you didn't start doing Devasri, Aditi. Okay, Aditi, you also didn't start doing, right?
Yes, I went to the
Sir,
worksheet.
I
I didn't start, but
sir,
Okay.
I thought to start, but I was having exams, sir, so I was preparing for them.
So everyone, please start doing your worksheet and will and please do ask if you have any doubts. So, all right.
sir, can we
Okay.
submit the worksheet by Monday?
Yes, you have time for that. I think.
Sir, can you post the worksheet once again? So I just checked. I still did not get the worksheet.
Still,
So
you didn't get it.
no, sir. I
Let me
didn't.
share the screen and let me show it to you where it is.
Sir, I guess there might be a Gmail problem. Like, you have to verify your email sometimes.
Yeah,
Otherwise, you won't
sometimes
get
you have to verify it.
Yes.
So without verifying, you
I'll
see here.
try to check.
So better to log out and log in.
Yeah, I'll try that.
So look at this here, circles. So you won't get that thing in a circle section. You have to check it in worksheet. Worksheets will be under the topic called worksheet. Let me show you worksheet. Look at this here. Can you see the left hand side worksheets?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you just go through there, look at this here. Circles worksheet. Can you see here? So dear children, submitted before 16th of this month. Thank you. Regards, my name. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the? It is in
Yes, sir. Now,
worksheet.
now I can see it. So I logged in
Yes.
again. Now I can see it.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, if any one of you are not able to see the worksheet, what you have to do is refresh it. See, if you have access, if you don't have access, you don't even open the Google Classroom actually. You don't even will be able to open the worksheet. I mean Google Classroom. You can't even enter if you don't have access. If you don't have login. Once you log in like that, can you see the right hand side picture? Look at it here. Here mail ID. So like that, when you see something like that, then only you can able to see the things whichever are posted in the classroom. Is it clear?
Sir, your
Yes,
voice
sir.
became very low, sir.
My voice became very low now. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Now I can.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Chalo. So guys, everyone should solve that problems. And do you have any doubts from that problems? Do you have any problems? Do you have any doubts here from this? See, yesterday, let me show it to you. Oh, look at this here. This worksheet, this one and this one. Chalo, I'm asking if you have any doubts. Make it fast. If you just take it fast so that we can go forward.
No doubt, sir.
Yes. And see, I need you guys to submit the worksheet. Today you submit that, and Shreyan, see, someone of your friends will be submitting over there. Please go through that. If you still
Okay,
don't
sir.
understand, you ask in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for
But
explaining.
yes, look at this here. You do one thing. Already we have solved these questions, man. See, you have solutions of all these things already. But the thing is, see, you will read the question. అయ్యో ఇక్కడ ఏదో దయ్యంలాగా ఉందబ్బా ఏదో పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ అనుకుంటారు అది కాదు. Look at this here. When you are reading out the question, many people think that no, it is looking something like devil. ये शैतान जैसा दिख रहा है. तो
Means
इसको
that art I got, sir, but I want to try it. But see, in
yes,
the
yes.
in first
Which question? Which question you didn't understand? See here in a
All
parallelogram,
questions.
you have a parallelogram. Okay,
Yeah,
draw the parallelogram.
yes,
ABCD angle A ఇంత 110 ఇచ్చాడు.
110.
BCD find out చేయమంటారు. వేరే యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి రాదు కదా. Sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. So now how can you find out? Look at this here.
So 110 plus 3x
1 plus
is
3x
equal to
square.
360.
What about opposite angles in a quadrilateral
Yes, sir.
parallelogram?
C is equal to, sir.
Opposite angles are equal.
Opposite
at
angles
that.
are
Opposite
So now
angles are
what?
equal.
Let's say A, B, C, D. What about B and C angles?
B and D, right? Sir?
So B and D.
110 plus 110 plus
2x
2x is
2x
equal to 360.
Exactly.
Sir.
So I do not know this. If I know this, I'll get to know this. Okay. So let us consider this as x. So
Yes.
x plus x, 2x plus 220 is equal to 360. ఇంత లడ్డు క్వశ్చన్ చేయడానికి వస్తలేదా నీకు శ్రేయంజీ? टेल मी, ये तो कितना छोटू वाला LKG वाला सवाल है. ठीक है?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Very simple, right? Is it any difficult? You try, నువ్వు ట్రై చేయట్లేదు, అది ప్రాబ్లం. See, this is very you only told the answer now. నువ్వే కదా చెప్పావు ఇప్పుడు, నేను చేశాను ఏమైనా? నేను రాశాను అంతే, నువ్వే కదా చెప్పావు మొత్తం.
You means I got that thing when Aditi told that 360 afterwards I got that.
You
Yeah,
people
we
like
can-
that. You try. The problem is you are not trying. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
అర్థమైందా?
Yeah, sir.
Is that clear?
That in the second question also same answer 3x minus 2 plus
Two
50
opposite
minus
angles of a parallelogram are opposite angles he has given. అంతే కదా. చూడు ఇప్పుడు
Okay.
the common sense. ఇప్పుడు look at this here. A, B, C, D. Let us say that A and D you are taking. Okay, we know that opposite angles are equal. So here
Yeah,
3x
sir.
minus 2 degrees and 5
Yes,
minus 6
sir.
degrees. So now both will be equal అని తెలుసు కదా మనం. రెండింటిని ఈక్వల్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కదా.
Okay, sir.
అవునా కదా? సో అప్పుడు
Yes.
x వాల్యూ వస్తుంది కదా నీకు.
Yes,
So
sir.
find the measure
2x.
of each angle of a parallelogram. అవునా కదా? Are people
Okay.
able to understand here? Hello? So look at this here.
20,
So,
24 we will get that.
so 4x is equal to how much? 52. అవునా కదా?
50. Yes, sir.
4x 52. X value how much? 13. అవునా
13.
కదా? So if
Yes.
x value 13 అయినప్పుడు ఈ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది? 33 is 39
3x.
minus
39.
37 కదా?
Yes, sir.
సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయి ఇక్కడ 50 minus x కదా? 50 minus 32.
50 minus
18.
13.
18 అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏ యాంగిల్ ఎంత
That
వచ్చింది?
50 minus
17.
13, right, sir? 50 minus 13.
15 minus 13. I'm sorry, not 32.
Okay, okay.
Minus 13. 13 means it will be ఎంత? 37 కదా? అవునా కదా?
Okay, okay.
అంటే
Yeah.
ఇది ఇప్పుడు 37 వచ్చాయి కదా? సో ఇది రెండు
Okay.
37 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది x అనుకో. సిమిలర్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా చేసాం అలా చేయి. Let's
Okay,
say this is
okay.
as x, this as x. Now add all this thing now. 37 2 so much.
Sir, sir, will there be any possible like co-interior angles in this parallelogram, sir?
Your voice is breaking, Narini ji.
That's 13, right?
Sorry?
Yeah, it should be 13, right?
My
X is equal to 13.
Yeah, it is 13.
It is
Right. Okay, sir, it looks like 15. That's why.
no. 13 only. I wrote. Acha, it looks like 15. It is 13 only. I wrote 13. So ये तो 39 minus 2 ये तो 37 है. तो दोनों 37 होगा तो इसको x मान लो. Now add all the angles. Equate that thing to 360. Easiest way, and you just have to solve that. See,
Yeah,
try
instead of
hard.
doing that, we can directly just take 180 minus 37, right? Adjusted angles.
Sorry.
Finding the adjacent angles,
Exactly.
D
180
and
minus
angle
1,
B.
exactly. 180 minus
180.
adjacent angle. You can take that.
Yes, sir.
So co-interior.
Exactly. You are right, Harini. That is what your voice is breaking, Harini ji. That is what you are saying. You are saying something.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Chalo, next. Shrayan, you try like this, Shrayan. Easy.
Sir, one fifth question you explained.
Fifth question. Okay, fine.
Sixth,
Find the
sir.
measure of
Sixth.
all.
Sir,
Sixth,
sixth, sir.
చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది ఫిగర్ ఏబిసిడి ఇచ్చాడు వాడే ఇచ్చాడు ఫిగర్ ఏబిసిడి ఫిగర్ గివెన్ హియర్ వన్ సెకండ్ let me read this thing fairly somewhat so that the people who are not here so that they can understand. So this is 3x minus 2, so within 37 degrees, so this will be also 37 now. So let us consider this as x. Now find the value of x value, you know already. That in here, right? That's all. Look, fifth question is sixth. If the figure ABCD is a parallelogram in which DAP is equal, DAP in 20, DAP, okay, BAP 40, ABP 80, APDB is asking us to find APD and BPC. Okay, he's asking us to find out this. So,
Sir, APD. So it will be the side one. It will be the left side.
yeah, APD. Oh my goodness, this triangle plus BBC. Okay, so you have to find out this too. Hope it is clear. Now, how
Sir,
can you
instead of
find?
doing that, we can directly, like, since DC and AB are parallel because there's a parallelogram, AP
Okay.
and BP are transversals. So we can get it directly, right? APD is equal to 40 and BPC is equal to 80.
Can you please repeat again?
Sir, AB parallel to DC, right? Parallelogram.
Exactly. Yeah.
So AP and BP are transversals.
Yeah, AP and BP are transversal. Exactly.
So angle APD is equal to 40 degrees, alternate interior angle.
Exactly. Look at this here. అవును అంతే కదా देखो శ్రేయన్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది parallel lines ఇక్కడ AB and CD కదా so now here point P I have here point P, this is my transversal line, this is P. Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఇది 40 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది, what will happen?
40, alternate.
This is got 40, then it will be 40. Okay, so I got this one as 40. Okay. ఇప్పుడు చూడు ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్, ఇదేమవుతుంది ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ అ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్సల్ నౌ ఇది 8 అవుతుంది కదా, అవునా కదా? అది
Yeah.
పీపుల్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. అయిపోయా, క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోయింది, ఇంకేముంది?
Okay.
క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోయింది కదా, అదే కదా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది.
Yes, yes.
అండర్స్టూడ్? అర్థమైందా లేదా?
Yes.
మనము వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ దిస్ థింగ్ ఏపిడి. ఇది ఎంత వచ్చింది? 40 వచ్చింది, ఎందుకంటే vertically opposite angles if we take transversal. Okay, and now if this is 80, this will be also 80 since vertical opposite. Look at this one and this one if you take, so this is a transversal in this
Sir, directly, sir, if we take transversal as AP, we'll be getting direct answer as 40, sir. Alternate interior angles are equal.
అదే కదా నేను చెప్పింది కూడా ఇందాక. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, యు ఆర్ రైట్, 40 కరెక్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ 80. సో అదే ఆన్సర్. ఇది ఏపీడీ ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు? 40. బీపీసీ ఏమవుతుంది? 80 అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్. హోప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. శ్రేయన్,
Okay, okay.
ఎనీ డౌట్స్? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు రిలేట్ ది థింగ్? See, the problem is I understood. See, many students what they do is question looks very big actually. Questions look very big. When the question looks very big, students think that, oh, ఇంత పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ ఏదేదో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు, he is saying something. See, in mathematics, why ABCD comes, sir? Here ABCD is coming. ABCD should come in English subject, right? Why ABCD coming in mathematics? Yeah, many children thinks like that and they leave the question. I know that. Yes, Are you able to understand? So ABT BPD ఏమేమో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు రా బాబు कुछ कहा रहा है इधर, क्या बोल रहा है मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। तो एपी भी बोल रहा है कि ये कहाँ से फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग, बीपीसी कहाँ से फाइंड आउट करेंगे, असल क्या करेंगे इधर, ये क्या समझ, इंग्लिश क्यों आ रहा है इधर, इधर डैप बोलता है, बैप बोलता है, एबीपी एपीडी बीपीसी। सी गाइस, don't be scary, don't be scary by looking at the question. Many of you, I'm telling you, those who are afraid of the quadrilaterals and triangles, don't be afraid, don't be scary, don't be frightened when you are looking at the question. So before solving the question, make sure that you are thorough with all the properties, whatever the properties we have gone through. If you are be thorough with the properties, try applying those properties over here. Is that clear? See, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది, లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ తెలియకపోతే ఇది తెలియదు కదా మనకు. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్ కాన్సెప్ట్, యూ విల్ నాట్ బి ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ తెలిసిన మాత్రాన, ఇఫ్ యూ నో లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ parallelogram, you can't able to understand. Since it's a parallelogram, isn't it? He's talking about parallelogram, then you must know the parallelogram's properties actually. అర్థమవుతుందా శ్రేయన్?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, first you revise your properties, then come for the questions, then you will be able to solve the questions, it seems. So that might be the problem actually. Okay,
Okay,
check.
okay.
See, if you still have doubt, we'll explain it, no problem, but don't be with your doubts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
I too have few
Yes.
doubts, sir, based
Harini,
on.
I just read your message. Tell me.
So the question is, if the complement of an angle is equal to, if the complement of an angle is equal to the supplement of its thrice.
The
If
complement
the complement
of an
of an
angle is equal to
is equal to the supplement of the thrice to it, sir.
supplement of the
Thrice to it. Thrice to it, sir.
okay, complement అంటే ఏంటిది ఇక్కడ?
So 90 degrees.
90
Two
degrees.
angles is equal to 90
Yes,
degrees.
sum of two angles supposed to be equal to 90 degrees. What do you mean by, see, can you read the question again?
So if the complement of an angle is equal to the supplement of its thrice of it, find the measure of the
Find the measure of the yes. Look at it. Complement of an angle is equal to supplement of the thrice of it. Then what do we have to find out here? Cheppali fast ga. What do we need to find out? Hello? Hello?